If you're looking to restore the functionality of your rear differential system, the axle vent is the perfect solution. Designed as a direct replacement, this vent matches the fit and function of the original part on specified vehicles, ensuring optimal performance and a smooth installation. Over time, the original axle vent can become clogged or fatigued, leading to potential issues such as blown seals or leaks. This replacement vent is engineered to resolve those issues, providing a reliable and durable solution for your vehicle. Constructed from high-quality materials, this axle vent is built to withstand the harsh conditions of your vehicle's drivetrain, offering long-lasting service and exceptional reliability. Whether you're performing routine maintenance or repairing a worn-out part, this vent guarantees dependable performance and peace of mind. It's backed by a team of product experts in the United States, with more than a century of automotive experience, ensuring that it meets the highest standards of quality. The installation process is straightforward and hassle-free, as one customer shared about their experience replacing the vent on their 2004 Lexus GX 470. After noticing the old vent was rusted and clogged, they quickly ordered this replacement and completed the installation in just 5 minutes. The ease of replacing the axle vent made the entire process much simpler than dealing with more complex parts like the seals, which require more effort and time. Before purchasing, use the garage tool to ensure fitment by inputting your vehicle's make, model, and trim level. This simple yet essential part will restore your vehicle's functionality, prevent future issues, and help maintain the efficiency of your drivetrain. Click the link in the description to purchase the axle vent for your rear differential and enjoy a quick, reliable solution for your vehicle. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more top-quality automotive parts and solutions.